Hi, good morning children. How are you? Yes, all of you have fine? Yes, very good. Today we are going to study a new chapter more about numbers 1 to 9. Okay, we are going to study numbers now. Here okay. Did you see a number line here? Yes. Okay. Which is the first number? 1. And which is the last number? 10. I hope you all have know the numbers 1 to 10. Isn't it? Yes. Here 1 to 10. From left to right the numbers increase. Okay, increase in valuables. അല്ലേ? ഇവിടുന്ന് ലെഫ്റ്റിൽ നിന്ന് റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് നമ്പർ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാണ്? കൂടിക്കൂടി വരികയാണ് അല്ലേ? കുറച്ച് വലിയ വലിയ നമ്പർ ആയിട്ട് വരികയാണ്. ഇങ്ങനെ വലിയതായിട്ട് വരുന്ന നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയാം? Yes, we have to say ascending order. എന്തെന്നാ പറയാ? Ascending. Order. What is meant by ascending order? Yes, the numbers move from left to right. The numbers move from left to right. The numbers increase in value. അല്ലേ? ഇതിന്റെ ഓരോ വാല്യൂ അനുസരിച്ചിട്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്ത് പോവാണ്. അതിനാണ് പറയുന്നത് what? Ascending order. For example, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. That is ascending order. Then what is descending order? Their opposite. Descending order is descending order means is the number from right to left. The numbers from right to left, the numbers decrease in value. അല്ലേ? ഇവിടുന്ന് റൈറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക് വരുമ്പോൾ നമ്പേഴ്സ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാണ്? കുറഞ്ഞു വരികയാണ് അല്ലേ? അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്തെന്ന് പറയുക? ഡിസെൻഡിങ് ഓർഡർ. Descending order. For example, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the examples of descending order. And examples for ascending order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. Now did you understand the difference between ascending order and descending order? Yes. 1, 2, 3. അതായത് ആദ്യമേ നിന്നിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ കൂടി പോകുന്നതിനാണ് ascending order. Descending order എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? വലിയ നമ്പറിൽ നിന്ന് ചെറിയ നമ്പറിലേക്ക് അല്ലേ? വലിയ biggest to smallest. And ascending order smallest to biggest. അസെൻഡിങ് ഓർഡർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ചെറുതിൽ നിന്ന് വലുതിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നതും ഡിസെൻഡിങ് ഓർഡർ വലുതിൽ നിന്ന് ചെറുതിലേക്ക് വരുന്നതുമാണ്. Okay, that is the difference between ascending and descending order. Now, all of it in your maths textbook, take page number 50. you have a problem to solve it. Write the following in ascending order. Here some numbers are given. The numbers you have to write in ascending order. The first one is done for you, and okay, the one number 2, 5, 7, 6, 3. How we have to write in ascending order? Which is the first number? Yes, 2. After 2, which number come? Yes, 3. After 3, 4 is here? No. Then 5. Then yes, 6. Then 7. That way you have to write the numbers in ascending order. Okay, here are the steps. Okay, then you have to write it 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Like this way you have to write down. Okay, that is a homework for you. You have to write in your textbook. The next one, descending order. Write the following in descending order. In the above, the example, saying, I am giving the same example. No, different numbers I will give. Okay, the example is 2, 7, 4, 8, 5. Here, which is the biggest number? Which is the biggest number here? Yes, 8. Then you have to write 8. And the next one, after 8. Sorry, before 8, which number comes? Yes, 7. Before 7, 6 is here? No. Then you have to write 5. After that, 4. 3 is here? No. Then 2. From biggest to smallest, descending order. Descending order you have to write the biggest to smallest, and ascending order you have to write smallest to biggest. And this page full you have to write. That is a homework for you in page number 50. From your home you have to do it, and after do it, take a photograph and send your maths teacher. Then the next one, find the missing numbers in the ascending or descending arrangements. Here some numbers are missing. Both ascending and descending order is given. Just we have to find out. Okay. The first one is done for you. Here one fish. Starting from one fish. The starting one fish. Okay, which number? 1. Then it will come 2, 3, 4. Here the another fish. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the missing number is this 1 and 5. Okay. Which pattern is this? This is ascending order. Like from smallest to biggest. The next one you have to write. Here one crab. I am writing here dash, then 2, circle, then 4, circle, 6, circle, 8, 9, like this way. You have to write the number, missing numbers. Before 2, which number comes before 2? Yes, 1. Then 1, 2. After 2, which number comes? 3. Then 4. Here you have to just look after the number. After 3, 4. After 4, which number comes? 5. After 5, which number comes? 6. After 6, 7. After 7, 8 and 9. Okay, like this way you have to write. Then the next way, 9, 8, 6, 4, 3, 1. Which way is writing this? Which way? Yes, it's given in descending order. Then 9, 8. Before 8, which number comes? Before 8, which number comes? Yes, 7. Okay. Before 7, which number comes? 6. Before 6, which number? Yes, 5. Before 5, 4, 3. Before 3, yes, 2. Then the last one is 1. Then the next one. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Here. 1, 2. After 2, the 2 numbers are missing. Which are the numbers? After 2, which number comes? Yes, very good. 3. After 3, which number? 4. Then 5 is here. After 5, which number? 6. 7. After 7, 8. After 8, 9. The same thing we have to write descending order. 9 dash 7 dash 5 1. Okay. Before 9, which number comes before 9? Yes, 8. Before 8, 7. Before 7, yes, 6. Before 6, yes, very good. 5. Before 5, 4. Before 4, yes, very good. 3. Then 2, 1. Just you have to remember that ascending order means smallest to biggest. Ascending order, smallest to biggest. And descending order means biggest to smallest. Okay, descending order, biggest to smallest. You have to remember these 2 things. Okay. Then next we have to do just before. Next we are going to study about just before. I hope you have to understand this ascending and descending order. Okay, just before. Here, one small butterfly. Okay, and here the number 5 and 6. Okay, Here. This 5 comes just before 6. Isn't it? അല്ലേ? 6ന്റെ മുൻപിലാണ് എന്ത് വരുന്നത്? 5 വരുന്നത്. 4 ആണ് വരുന്നേ? അല്ല. 5 വരുന്ന എപ്പോഴാണ്? Yes, 5 comes just before 6. 5 comes just before 6. അല്ലേ? 6ന്റെ തൊട്ട് മുൻപിലാണ് എന്ത് വരുന്നത്? 5 വരുന്നത്. Okay, clear? Then that we called before. തൊട്ട് പുറകിലായിട്ട് വരുന്നതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ബിഫോർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആഫ്റ്റർ 6 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് which number comes? 7. That is after. 6ന് ശേഷം വരുന്ന നമ്പർ. അപ്പൊ 6ന് മുൻപേ വരുന്ന നമ്പർ ഏതാണ്? 5. Okay. Now and some exercise given. Before 9 which number comes? Before 9? Yes, very good. 8. And before 3 which number comes? 2. Then before 7 which number comes? It's very good. 6. Before 5 which number comes? Yes, very good. 4. And before 8 which number comes? Yeah, 7. Okay. Before 2 which number comes? Before 2 which number comes? Yes, very good. 1. Okay. Now we are going to study about just after. After the same numbers we have to take. What comes just after? Okay, here 6 comes just after 5. അല്ലേ? 6 എപ്പോഴാണ് വരുന്നത്? 5 കഴിഞ്ഞതിന് ശേഷമാണ് 6 വരുന്നത് അല്ലേ? 5 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഏതാണ്? 6. അപ്പം 6 comes just after 5. 5 വന്നതിന് ശേഷമാണ് 6 വന്നത്. 6 അവിടെ നേരത്തെ വന്നിരുന്നോ? No. After 5 only 6 comes. Okay, 6 comes just after 5. For example, 8. After 8 which number? Which number comes after 8? Yes, 9. Okay. After 4 which number comes after 4? Yes, 5. Which number after 7? Yes, very good. 8. Excellent. Which number comes after 3? Yes, 4. Which number come after 6? Come after 6 which number comes? Yes, 7. And which number comes after 1? Which number comes after 1? ഒന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള നമ്പർ ഏതാ വരുന്നേ? Yes, 2. Yes, this is the difference between before and after. Before means തൊട്ട് ഒരു നമ്പറിന്റെ തൊട്ട് മുകളിലുള്ള നമ്പർ. ഓക്കെ, ആഫ്റ്റർ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഒരു നമ്പറിന്റെ ആ ഒരു നമ്പർ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ഏതാണോ വരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ 6. Which number comes before 6? 5. Which number comes after 6? 7. Okay, these are the difference among before and after. Now we are going to study about between. We studied before, after. Now we are going to study about between. Between. What is the meaning of between? Yes, middle number. Okay. Here 4, 5, 6. Here 3 number I am giving. Okay. 3 number 4, 5 and 6. And this 5 comes between 4 and 6. അല്ലേ? ഈ 5 വരുന്നത് എവിടെയാണ്? 4ന്റെയും 6ന്റെയും നടുക്കായിട്ടാണ് 5 വരുന്നത്. അല്ലേ? Yes. So we call that between. This 5 comes between 4 and 6. In which number comes between 6 and 8? 6ന്റെയും 8ന്റെയും ഇടയിൽ വരുന്ന നമ്പർ ഏതാണ്? 6ന്റെയും 8ന്റെയും. You have to just think that after 6 which number comes? Yes, very good, 7. Okay, you have to just think like that, then you will be get soon. Then the next one, 7-9, which is the middle number. Which are the numbers between 7 and 9? Which number comes between 7 and 9? Yes, very good, 8. Then which number comes between 5 and 7? Yes, very good, you saying fast, very good, excellent. And which number comes 1 and 3? Which number comes between 1 and 3? Yes, 2. Which number comes between 3 and 5? Yes, 4. Which number comes between 2 and 4? 3. Very good. You all understand? Yes. And today I will give you a homework for you in your maths textbook, page number 55. Here some exercise is here, you have to do yourself. Okay, you have to write just before, just after and between. After doing this homework, you have to take a photograph and you have to send to your maths teacher. Okay, thank you, and we will see you on next class. Bye.